When we think about both the near and longer term impacts of Trump 2.0 on early stage venture, there's really two things that come to mind, both deregulation as well as American manufacturing and focus on AI in the next number of years. So when we first think about deregulation, this is something that we saw during the first Trump 1.0, is more of a focus on reduced burden from a regulatory perspective. We expect many of these similar terms around deregulation to continue. In particular, there's two bodies that we are focusing on, more around both the SEC as well as the CFPB. And in this case, industries like fintech could be beneficiaries of a less stringent regulatory environment. In Trump 1.0, he was openly stringent upon the CFPB and looked to loosen some of these regulatory burdens that they saw. And as we think about going forward to 2.0, we feel like this can have both a near and longer term impact on the early stage venture market. Companies that are building new innovative strategies in the fintech landscape, this is something that we expect to continue to see, especially in an industry that has seen a bit more of a black eye over the past few years as well. From a longer term standpoint, we do anticipate that also leading to potentially more M&A activity for companies in this space, as well as more investment dollars pushing into the fintech landscape, healthcare, as well as other regulated industries as well. The second piece, there's been a refocus around manufacturing as well as focus on AI. And so what we do anticipate from the Trump 2.0 administration is additional investment being made into these areas. Well, what does that really mean for early stage venture capital? Well, that means that we anticipate there being a new plethora of innovative companies building AI transformative solutions around manufacturing and other industries that can benefit from this newfound American competitiveness in manufacturing. We are being cautiously optimistic, but under the first President Trump 1.0, he also made very similar promises to continue to build some of this infrastructure that didn't pan out as such. But in general, this is the sentiment of the new administration that we do anticipate, at least from a sentiment standpoint, being positive for more of the early stage venture market.